noise there. It's here for Glory. She'd like you guys making some noise for her because she just jumped 12 feet 2 inches. Much better. She's cute too. Let's hear her for her, guys. Wow! I forgot about how high she likes to come up because she comes down. Check this out, guys. Check her air time out. Watch her. She's cute as can be. So let's hear her for her little nasty. 7'11". I love watching her jump. 7 feet 11 inches. Oh, okay. Gotcha. How about 14 feet 9 inches? So get ready. You guys coming up. 14 feet 9 inches. Very nice first jump here. Hasn't really done this a whole lot, so they're just kind of getting into the swing in it and getting a little bit better every time they come up on the dock. 14.9, 15.5 on that. Is that a challenge up next? Coming up in just a minute or two. And you never know where, you know, the newer jumper Wally could be there someday too. This is their first year doing this. There you go, much better jump, guys. 11.7 on that one. Remember, dog's personal best. Let's get this, guys. 29 feet 4 inches. All right, guys, let's make some noise here. I know you want to see a big jump, so let's give these guys a big hand here. Here we go. This is Torrent. 25 even on that jump. 25 feet, right? 25 feet was our first jump. Could be bigger here if we make a little noise, guys. Here we go. Torrent. Get it. 24.10 on that one. 24 feet 10 inches. 2 nice jumps, so almost 20. So, all right, guys, let's hear it for this relatively new jumper here. This is Clip. Place in the sand there. There we go. It's all right. That's okay. Bring him back a little bit. Time, guys. Make some noise for Clip. There you go. So much less hesitation there. Went right off the dock. 12 feet 1 inch on the second jump. So go, man. Real fast. Came in a little lower than usual, 18.5. Okay, definitely get a better jump. So here we go. One more time. Let's hear it for Peyton. There you go. That's what we're talking about. 22.11 on that one. Much better. Much better jump there. Big jump. To this big jumper right here. Let's hear it from Malice coming down the dock. 24.4 on that first one. 24.4.
Very nice.
Here comes Malice. 24.4 on the first jump. Better jump right there. 25.2.
Good job, buddy.
25 feet 2 inches. Don't know what we would have done without them help us train our Belgian Malinois. All right, so here we go. Are we ready for flux? All right, doesn't sound like it. Are we ready for flux? 18.7. I love the speed. You guys are ready? Okay. Are you guys next online, Rio? Okay. Rio, Griffin, and Siren. Rio, Griffin, Siren. One more time for flux. High flying plates in center right there. Whoever's down there at the end of the pool, you might get a little wet there. Flux is coming at you. There we go. 18.7 on that first one. What are we going to see here? One more time for flux. Let's hear it there. 18.5. Good thing I have my here for these guys. This is Rio. Good jump right there. 23-1. Nice job.
Good job, Rio.